Hi, welcome to the Shiko Math Lab fun probability problem solving sections here. So let's take a look at what the problem we're going to solve today. So here's the problems here. Okay, so suppose U and V are two continuous random variables that represent the lifetimes of two products. Let's say U and V. And then we have disjoint PDFs here. So I want to calculate the probability that the lifetime of these two products, at least one product, is greater than 1 year. Okay. All right. So let's go to the whiteboard and let's start. Take a look at how do we solve the problems here. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead. All right. So let me try to write down the. So this is the joint PDF here. The PDF here is U to the E, the negative U, 1 plus V, and the U greater than 0, V greater than 0 here. So in here, we want to find the probability that at least one product, the lifetime of at least one product is greater than 1 year. Okay, so now here the key things, the key ideas for this problems here is take a look is this word, right? So we said at least 1 year, right? It's at least greater than 1 year. That means it could be the U product greater than 1 year, or the V product greater than 1 year, or both of them greater than 1 year. That's what the at least mean. So the key things here is we try to do the at least. Then it will be you use the 1 minus none of them, right? So that means you minus the probabilities here, both products and the lifetime is less than 1 year. Okay, so let's take a look. Like for this joint PDF, the domain for the U and the V is here, right? So there is U greater than 0 and V greater than 0. So it's kind of like the first quadrants here. So the both product less than 1 year, that means here this is 1 and this is 1, right? So when we say the both product is less than 1 year, so what really we try to find is this area. Okay, so we're basically looking for is these areas, right? So this area will be the both product less than 1 year. So this is what this probability is here. If we do the integration, this is less than 1 year. Okay, so then the remaining problem would just be the calculus integration. So I'm going to integrating within these regions here. Okay, so let's take a look at this ones here is the probability, both product less than 1 year. Okay, so let's see here. So that's why it will just be you integrate the PDFs, right? And then now we are looking for this yellow area. So I integrate U from 0 to 1, V from 0 to 1. So for these integrations here, probably, that we integrate. So this is U, this is E to negative U, 1 plus V. So probably it will be easier to integrate the dV first. Okay, so when we integrate the dV, so this one's here, you can take the U outside. So this will just be the E to the negative 1 plus V dV du. And then in here, so this one's here will be equal to, so let's try to put this into the, okay, so don't forget that this is 0, 1, right? So this one's here, when you try to integrate, it will become to U the e to the negative u, the 1 plus v here, and the negative is here, right? And from the 0 to 1. So this part will come to the 1 over u, and then this will be the e to the negative u minus the e to the negative 2u. So you plug in here. So now these terms here will just be the 0 to 1. This u and this u, this u and this u can cancel that out, can cancel each other out. So this will just be the 0 to 1 e to the negative u minus e to the negative 2u du. Okay, so then this integration is pretty easy. Will just be the e to the negative u, and then this is plus 2 the e to the negative 2u. That's right. And then you integrate from 0 to 1. So in here, the answers here will be negative 1e plus 2 e to the negative 2. Or you can just put it maybe be consistent, and so plus 2 to the e to the 2 to 1, then plus 1/2, right? So plus 1/2. Okay, so now the total probability will just be 1 minus e to the negative 1. Okay, so now this is so when 1 minus negative 1 to the e plus 1, and this is 2 e to the 2, and plus 1/2. So if you plug into the calculator, and you will get this number is very close to 0.800. So it's a pretty close to the 80% here. So that's why, at least one product is greater than 1 year will be approximately to the probability is 0.8 here. Okay, so this problem is pretty simple and straightforward. So the things we want to demonstrate in this problem is if you see at least one, then probably it's easier to use the 1 minus, the product less than 1 here. Okay, and then the remaining will just be how good are you doing for your calculus, right? Take the integrations. All right. This is the fun and short problems here. Hope you enjoyed. If you like it, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. We're going to have many other problems we are going to solve. Okay, nice to talk to you, and talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye.